Yes, guys, I did it. I was able to get monetized with just one video, guys. I did it, and I'm so happy, and you too can do it, guys. Stick on, guys. I'm going to show you what I did. I was able to get 942k views and 6.4k watch hours, guys. Stick around, guys. In this video, you too can do it. I'm so happy that I was able to achieve it. Hello guys, welcome to OCHE'S Tech, and in this channel I'm going to show you how I was able to get monetized with just one video. Just one video, guys. It's not easy. In less than 24 hours I was able to achieve the requirement. I was able to surpass the YouTube 4,000 watch hours, and I was able to get 942k views, guys. I got that video got me 1.7k subscribers, guys, just in less than 24 hours. In less than 24 hours, guys. I'm here. This is not a scam. This is real. I'm showing you proof on my screen. Look at my screen, guys. Look at it. It's very, very real, and you too can do it. I got monetized with just one video, guys. Just one video. I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm not here to lie to you. I'm not here to tell you things that does not work. When you come to OCHE'S Tech channel, I really tell you things that work. Not when you go online, you start browsing things, and at the end of the day, you don't get meaningful results. This channel is here to break YouTube. I'm here to expose the secret that guys use to make thousands of dollars, and they have hidden you from years. In this channel, you are going to get it. So guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, first and foremost, by now you should have known YouTube requirement: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and you should know how hard it is to obtain this requirement. Some of you, like me personally, I worked for about 7 months, guys. Look at my channel. This channel is over 7 months, guys. I worked almost 7 months, toiling, sweating, editing, posting, doing all the SEOs, but at the end of the 7 months, I wasn't able to get results. I know how I felt bad. And most of you must have been on this journey for 2 years. Most of you must have been on this journey for a long time, and up till now, you've not achieved a reasonable result. So guys, stick around. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do very fast. Very fast, guys. Others have been doing it, and they have been using that secret to get what they want, and you too can do it. You need to get out of working for a long time. You need to start earning money. You are here to break YouTube. I'm here to expose all the secret, guys. So guys, if you have watched to this very moment, I know you are very, very serious. You are very, very serious, and you are ready to take all the step by step, guys. So guys, first and foremost, I will tell you how this works. I wasn't able to just get it like that. I put a lot of energies, I put a lot of work. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you what you need to do exactly to achieve this result. So stay with me, guys. Stay tuned. Stay in this channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button like I've told you. That's just the way you can support me. Guys, so let's get down to business. The number one requirement for you to get to achieve the result I have got so far, you need to have old YouTube account, guys. You need to have old YouTube account. Forget all this what they are telling you: create an account, do this, do that, do that. Most of the people you see them achieving results, go and look at their account age. You see most of them having YouTube account of 6 years ago, 7 years ago, and you see them achieving results. Some persons, you had wondered when they have joined this YouTube race, you see them doing massively, guys. Go and check, go and trace back their history. Look at their old videos and see how see when they joined YouTube, see when they started posting. Some of them will tell you just go to YouTube, create an account. Guys, I'm very, very serious here. If you want to achieve this result, you need old YouTube account. And how old could the account be? Probably 1 year account is very okay. But if you can have 4 years account, 3 years account, 2 years account, if you can get hold of anyone, guys, you are good to go. That's the number one requirement. Your YouTube account must be old. must be old enough. You know what it means when you have old account and you have new account. Even if the account, the metrics are all down, the analytics are all shut down, it is very, very okay. That's the number one requirement, guys. So put it down now. Note it. Number one, you need to have old YouTube account, and the YouTube account must not be less than 1 year. Even if they have not posted anything on that account, guys, old YouTube account is number one requirement. It makes you to stand out. It makes you to have authenticity. It makes YouTube algorithm to believe in your channel. You know what it means to have old YouTube account? Go and check all these people that are performing well today. It's clear that some of them, their account are 7 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago. Guys, it's just like they have been on YouTube while you have been sleeping since. So guys, if you have not got an old YouTube account, try and look for a friend or look for somebody how you get an old YouTube account. That's number one point, guys. So guys, secondly, guys, you need to have a minimum of 50 subscribers. And how do you do that? You can easily get a minimum of 50 subscribers by posting short, guys. You continuously posting short. Don't just post anyhow short videos. YouTube is not a platform where you just come and dump your videos, your DAW videos, and you expect people to watch. You have to be creative. You have to be innovative. You have to do something that attracts audience. What is it that is there but people are not actually too doing it? Every niche is very, very okay, but there are things you can do that can easily attract your audience, guys. I watched a video recently on YouTube, and what the guy did was to arrange matches in the loop and then put an egg somewhere on top. And in that video, guys, the video gave the guys thousands of views, guys. He just light the matches at one end, and the thing keep burning till the egg got burnt. So, guys, there are things that actually attract views. They may not necessarily bring any better things out in the videos, but they are just done in such a way so that it will capture people's attention, guys. Let me give you one secret, guys. What if you have a pet and then you get a shoe and then you dress up your pet, and then in such a way you wear your pet the shoes, and then see how the pet reacts in the shoes, how the pet run, you video those kind of things. These are kind of things that actually they don't really communicate much, but they are really interesting in one kind. So you have to just be creative, look for one short videos, and then post. Continue posting short videos for like 2 weeks. In less than 2 weeks, you will be able to meet up with the 50 subscribers requirement. And if you already have 50 subscribers, congratulations to you, guys. First of all, your account is old. Secondly, you have 50 subscribers, so you don't need to worry about short or sourcing videos to make sure you get to 50 subscribers. Guys, point number 3, guys, your account should be able to go live. When you hit the 50 subscribers, the essence of the 50 subscribers is that so that your account can go live on YouTube. You know, for you to go live on YouTube, you need a minimum of 50 subscribers. So that is why I say that point number 2, you need to have 50 subscribers. So when you've got your 50 subscribers, make sure your account can go live. And whenever you click on go live, you'll be asked to wait for 24 hours countdown. After 24 hours, your account is ready to go live. Well, most recently, I've not been seeing the 24 hours countdowns in most of my accounts. Maybe they have upgraded. But if it happens to you, so be it. That's what I've known in the previous. So your account must be able to go live. That's point number 3. Note that, guys. First, you need to have an old YouTube account. Secondly, you need to have a minimum of 50 subscribers. And third, your account must be able to go live, guys. The fourth one is that make sure your account, the account you are using, does not have violation, any form of community strike or community warning on that account. Make sure that the account is not restricted. Make sure that the account health is 100%, guys. And if that is shaped and that is okay, then you are good to go. And lastly, guys, listen very, very carefully, guys. This is the last part of it, and this is very, very crucial, because this is what is going to keep your audience. This is what is going to attract viewers. This is what is going to make them to watch your videos, guys, to stick on. And when you are on live, you'll be seeing like 2,000k views at a spot. So if you don't pay attention to this, guys, you miss out on this. You are on your own. So guys, this is the fifth and the crucial point you need to know. Attractive videos, guys. Videos that spark curiosity, videos that is controversial, videos that drive attention, videos that everybody would love to see, and some persons can easily comment. You mustn't create those videos yourself. You mustn't stand on the camera. There are places you can get those videos from online, like viralfinder.com. There are places you can get those kind of videos from social medias, and you just have to edit it. When you edit those videos, you do little touching on them, and the videos become authentic. The videos become original because you've really modified. And when you go on live with this kind of videos, give a lot of attention. So guys, in my next videos, I'll be showing you how to get this kind of viral videos that will really drive attention whenever you go online. So guys, when you've got all this requirement, all you need to do is to go on live. Make sure you go on live for up to 9 hours, guys. 9 straight hours, guys. On live for 9 straight hours. When you go on live for 9 straight hours with this video using Restream, you will achieve this result, guys. It's very simple. When like I've told you, first off, you need to make sure that your account is old. Second, you need to make sure that you have a minimum of 50 subscribers so you can go on live, guys. And third, you need to make sure that your account will be able to go on live. There's no restriction on the account. Fourth, no violation, no community strike. Fifth, make sure you get attractive videos, guys. Video that is controversial, video that spark curiosity, videos that everybody would love to watch. And lastly, you go on live, you restream this video, guys. And when you restream this video by going on live for up to 9 hours, you'll be able to achieve this result, because this is how I got monetized with just one video, guys. I achieved this result with just one video. And when you do this, all your long time stress will end in a day, guys. If you have any question to ask, do well to drop it in the comment section. Like I told you, in my next videos, I'll be showing you where to get attractive videos that spark curiosity. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.